Right, in today's video about CapCut, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen. So if you go up to, on the home screen, up to the top left hand corner, you've got record screen. It's similar to what you can see now. Or you can press Ctrl Alt and P, then that should enable it. You can see the shortcut for it there, Ctrl Alt and P. So if I press on there, because the camera's being used, showing up in the bottom left hand corner as black. I've got an integrated mic there, so my mic's a K6, and you can select your webcam and then you just tap on start recording. And then once you've done that, once you finish, you just press stop. So you just press stop. Gives you the option to edit more, add auto captions, retouch, enhance voice, change voice, or you can download. I won't explain what all these are because it's pretty obvious really. So do you like this video? Please like and subscribe.